If you're experiencing server timeout issues in League of Legends, there are several steps you can take to improve your connection and gameplay experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance your connection stability. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can do this by running a speed test and checking for any interruptions or high latency. Step 2. Restart your router. Sometimes, simply restarting your router can resolve connectivity issues. Unplug your router, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in to refresh your connection. Step 3. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth or processing power. This includes streaming services, downloads, or other online games. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Switching to a more reliable DNS server can improve your connection. You can use public DNS servers like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8, 4.4, or Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1 for potentially better performance. Step 5. Contact your ISP. If the problem persists, reach out to your internet service provider. They can check for any issues on their end and may offer solutions or upgrades to improve your connection. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce server timeout issues and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in League of Legends.